Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will now learn how to approve, reject and reopen timesheet. So let's get started. Click on the timesheet menu. Under the timesheet menu, click on the team timesheet option. Team timesheet tab is only visible to the global administrators and the project leaders. Select a particular project for which the timesheets have to be approved. Then select a particular user whose timesheet the team leader wants to approve. So here we are selecting Jack Lee. Then the next filter is the timesheet status. By default, the submitter status will be selected. So we'll select all. Then we have to select the date range. So here we are selecting current month timesheets which needs to be approved. So now we'll go and select the very first timesheet and then click on the approve button. And once we click on approve, the timesheet is approved successfully. The status of the timesheet also is changed to approved, and now the timesheet cannot be updated further. Now the second timesheet is selected, and then we click on the reject button, and then we have to mention a rejection reason as to why the timesheet is rejected. Once rejected, the timesheet will be sent back to the team member to do the necessary changes. So now we can see the status of the timesheet has become rejected. We can also do a bulk approver by selecting the checkbox in the very first header column, and then when we click on approve, all the multiple timesheets will be bulk approved. We can review the details of the timesheet by clicking the timesheet details icon. We can also see the timesheet activities. Activities are nothing but the transactions as to when a particular activity was performed on the timesheet, like create, submit or approve timesheet. Now in case if you want to reopen a particular approved timesheet, then there is a reopen option. In order to reopen the timesheet, the reason has to be mentioned as to why the timesheet is being reopened. So once the reason is being provided, the timesheet is being reopened and it is then sent back to the team member to do the necessary changes. The status of the timesheet also becomes reopened. That's it in this tutorial. We hope this video helped to clear all your doubts. Thank you.